Hi, good morning everyone. Question number 12. Calculate the Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness. Classes 0 to 4 to 20 to 24. Class interval is 4 here now. 0 to 4 means class interval is 4. 4 to 8 means class interval is 4. Frequencies are like this 12 to 18. Keep the same class and frequency x and f. Then you need to find the mean minus the formula is like this. I think if you see the previous question, you may be getting the idea. If I show you the previous question like this, the formula of mode is what? Arithmetic mean minus mode by standard deviation. Mean minus mode by standard deviation. Is the mode is possible here to find? You refer now. Highest frequency is the mode class. Highest frequency is here 18 is there and one more 18 is there. If 2 times 18 highest is there means it is difficult to find the mode. Then we need to use the one more formula of skewness, that is this one. This formula. Skewness equal to 3 into mean minus arithmetic mean minus median by standard deviation. We need to use this formula now. Instead of which formula? This one. I hope that it is clear now. So for a median, what we need to find? We need the CF. Which purpose? For a median purpose. 12 as it is 12. 12 plus 15, 27. 27 plus 18, 45 plus 13, 58 plus 14, 72 plus 18, 90. Both the numbers are same. Now you need to find the m. What is m? 0 plus 4 by 2, 2. 0 plus 8, 12. 12 by 2 is 6. Now the difference is here 4. Then you have to add the difference 4 here now. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Why 10 is added? 4 is added because interval is 4 here. So add the 4, then you will get the up to 22. Multiply f into m. F is here, m is here. 12 into 2, 24. 15 into 6, 90. 18 into 10, 180. Like that, up to 18 into 22, 396. Total is how much? 1124. Then this one is for a mean purpose. This mean purpose we need the FM. So we got now mean, median. Now we need to find the standard deviation base purpose. D. What is D? M minus smallest number. Smallest number here is not actually 4.5. It was 2. Right? How much is there? The smallest number is 2. M minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. M minus 2. 2. My answer is 2. 6 minus 2 is how much? 4. 10 minus 6 is 2 is how much? 8. 14 minus 2, 12. 18 minus 2, 16. Then 18, 22 minus 2, 20. Now what is D? D dash equal to like this. D dash equal to D divided by 4. Why 4? Because class interval is 4 here. So D dash equal to all these D number divided by 4. 0 by 4 is 0. 4 by 4 is 1. 8 by 4 is 2. Like that. 16 divided by 4 is 4, 20 divided by 4 is 5, like that all number comes. Then F is here, D dash is here. So 12 into 0, 0, 15 into 1, 15, 18 into 2, 36, 13 into 3, 39, like that, 18 into 5, 90. Now what we need to find? FD dash square. So this one into this one once again. 1 into 15, 15, 2, 36, 72, 3, 9, 39 is 117. Like 5 into 90, 450. Total of these two is this one. Now we need to apply the one by one the answer. First we need to apply this mean. You see the formula here now. Mean is the first number. So arithmetic mean is here. So what you have to find here now? Arithmetic mean. So you need to find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, first one, right? So first answer is arithmetic mean. Find arithmetic mean equal to Fm divided by n. Summation of Fm by n. Summation of Fm is here total how much? 1124. See 1124. Then what is n? N is 90. See 90 is here. 90 written. Then 1124 by 90 equal to how much? 1249. Then move to the median now. What you have to find? You need to find the median class. First you have to find the median class. What is median class? Median class equal to, the formula is like this. Median class equal to n by 2th item. N is how much here? 90. 90 divided by 2 is how much? 45. You find the in the CF of 45. 45 exactly 45 is here. So this area is related to your which area? This area belongs to your median area. This was your median area. Now apply the numbers now. formula equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into I. So what is L? L is 8 as it is, right? 8. What is Cf? Sorry, n by 2. N by 2 is written already, 45. What is Cf? Cumulative frequency of median class, it's preceding now. Preceding number is which one? 27. See, 27 is written here. Then F means what? Simple frequency 18 is here. And what is I? Difference of these two, 8 and 12 difference is 4. So 4 is written here. So 4 is written. Then simplify this one now. 45 minus 27 is 18 divided by 18 into 4. So 18 cancel, 4 only left, right? So 18 by 18 into 4 is 4 only. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So answer of median is how much? 12 now. This was the solution of your which one? The median. Now we need to go for the standard deviation. Which number? Standard deviation number now. So standard deviation equal to, formula is what? Summation of ft dash square by n. Summation of ft dash divided by n whole square into I. I is out of the root, right? So you need to find now like this. I think I did here now wrong actually. This comes in the area of here only. So it is not like that. Here it comes actually, right? Okay. Standard deviation equal to what? Standard deviation equal to I just rectified this one, right? So this was wrong actually. Okay. Summation of ft dash square is how much here? So 878 divided by n is 90. Then ft dash is 236 divided by n is how much? 90. Its whole square is there here. It's whole square. Now what you need to do? 878 divided by 90. This one. 236 divided by 90 into equal to button. Then you press, will get directly square number only. This 6.88 is the square of 236 divided by 90 square number. Now difference of these two make first and remove the root and multiply into 4. You will get the standard deviation is 6.79. Now we need to go for your which one? Skewness. What is skewness? So you need to apply skewness now. Skewness. Right? Okay. Skewness equal to 3 into mean minus. Why this formula is used? Because of instead of mean minus mode by standard deviation, because mode is not possible, because 18 2 times is there, mode is ill defined. So this formula is used. So 3 into mean minus median by standard deviation. What is your mean? Right? What is your mean? Mean is here 12.49. See, 12.49. What is your median? 12. What is your standard deviation? 6.79, 6.79. So make the difference of these two, that is 0.49 into 3 divided by 6.79. So divide first, make a difference of these two. 0.49 comes. 12.49 minus 12, that is 0.49 into 3 by 6.79 is answer is 0.216. So this was your skewness. We know that skewness answer comes plus or minus less than 3. So this is all about your solution of question number which one? Question number 12. So I hope that this solution is clear to each one of you. Now I will take you the same type of one question for you, your assignment, question number 13. The question number 13 is like this. Calculate the coefficient of skewness based on mean and standard deviation. Remember, based on mean, see mean is here, standard deviation is here. Based on mean and standard deviation means which one? Karl Pearson. Again, when the question is based on Karl Pearson skewness, you have to identify that whether the question is from the mode is possible or not. If it is possible by using the mode, then use the mean minus the mode divided by standard deviation formula. If it is not possible by using the mode, then you have to use the alternative formula. 3 into mean minus the mode median, 3 into mean minus median by standard deviation. Now, highest number is which one here now? 12 is highest, 12 is highest. 2 times highest is there. So 2 number highest is there. So 12 to highest is there. Now once again it is not possible to use this this formula. This formula is not used. Now you have to use this formula now. Which one? This formula only you have to use. Because this number is which one? This the number is not same, right? So 12 2 times highest is there. use this formula. So use this formula means what? Mean, median and standard deviation you have to find by using the all these numbers, right? You answer this one and send the answered scanned copy to me, right? If you have any doubts, just you ask me, right? Thank you. Bye bye.